Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5159P. It's a 2023 Ford E-450 cube van with 110K. This one comes with your 7.3 liter gas, which has definitely been a nice upgrade in the cube vans. It certainly helps cut down on fuel costs, especially on the highway on windy days. The 7.3 seems to have a little bit more power and is quite a bit better on fuel. On the back, we've got the 16-foot dynamic van body, and there is also a power liftgate installed on here. The nice thing about this liftgate, which you don't usually find on smaller 16-foot vans, is this one does totally tuck away, whereas conventional liftgates on smaller vans will fold up, so you would have to fold them down every time you use the back of the van, whereas something like this you don't have to, which is quite a nice feature. So again, 16-foot van body. It does have some tie-down strapping all the way throughout. And it is a full 7 feet high as well. So if you're a furniture company or mattress delivery company, that type of thing, you do have plenty of interior height as well for standing up materials. As far as operating the liftgate goes, just a simple toggle switch. Liftgate drops down, grab a strap, drop it down, flip it open. Lift the liftgate back up. So it is nice, easy, convenient to use. One person can do it. You don't need to have two people to operate a heavy lift. So that is nice to have. Something like this, again, it would be great for cabinet makers to bring in large cabinets. Having the liftgate would be handy. Also liquor delivery companies or liquor manufacturing companies, I know they deliver big kegs of beer or, flats of this or flats of that, and having the liftgate is handy when you don't always have a loading dock to load and unload at. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, as well as Bluetooth in this one. So this is really, really nicely outfitted cube van as well. Something that's nice and comfortable to spend the days in. So again, plenty of uses for something like this, anywhere from liquor manufacturing, liquor delivery, cabinet manufacturing, construction purposes, and then general courier and delivery services as well. So plenty of uses for a nice clean cube van like this. Again, stock number 5159P, 2023 Ford E450 Cube.